This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, guys. Did you practice yesterday's work, which we did Flipkart Big Billion Days art? So yesterday, due to technical problem, so it turned off. So let's continue that. After continuing that, we'll do Amazon Great India Sale with that same old reference pic of Amazon. So we'll be doing that today. So first we'll continue doing with the Flipkart thing. So yesterday we can't complete that. So we'll complete that and after we'll continue with the Amazon Great India Sale.
है ना, उधर आ जा।
Guys, did you got that? So guys, tell me who is that CRTC 17 something? It came. Guys, did you got that?
Ma'am, get what?
This Flipkart Big Billion Days, which we did tomorrow. So today I'm doing with Amazon Great India Sale. Will will start today now. So we'll keep this aside, and I'm taking a new document. So you can click here. You'll be having a plus symbol here. So you can see here. So just click on that. Click on that. You'll be getting these options. So same thing. I'll be taking landscape only for this, and everything will be the same. Color mode is CMYK and the resolution should be 300. So I'll give OK to this. This will be my work area. And next what I need to do is, so I'm going, so I'll take that picture. Great Indian Sale or festival, whichever it is fine. So we'll take this. See, most of the art considered as mandala art only, which we did before. Just decrease the size and we'll keep this here. So first what we need to do is, so we should take the circle like this. So take the circle first like this. To get a perfect circle, press Ctrl and Take the circle like this, place it here, decrease the size a little like this, place it. And after that, what you need to do is, here the stroke color is pink. So give pink as not a fill color, as a stroke color, give pink as a stroke color. After that, take another circle, just duplicate it. You'll be getting another circle like this. So if you duplicate that, you'll be getting another circle like that. Just what you need to do is increase the size of that. Increase the size and keep it in center like this. Increase a little, keep that in center like this, and give that fill color as orange. Here no stroke color, so we'll remove stroke for this. So we'll remove stroke for this, and we should get this circle on back of that. So take a pick tool and click on right side of your mouse. So if you click on right side of your mouse, you will be getting this option. So in that, click order and click back to page, back of page. So if you click that, it will go back. So in when you I mean like to the front circle, you should fill color as a white. Fill it like this. So after filling this, you need to draw star to it. You should draw star to it. So now what you need to do, you should take star. If you left click on your mouse in this polygon, you'll be getting here star option. So take that star and draw like this. If you want the perfect shape in any of the object you take. So if you want the perfect shape means you should click control. Click control and drag it. You'll be getting this. So I want the small star like this. So it's enough. So I'm placing it here. The middle I'm placing it, and I should give fill color as white, and it has no stroke color. So white is a fill color and I'll remove stroke color. And now what I should do, which I did to the mandala art, again I should do that same things to star also. So I should duplicate this star now. So for duplicating, we should press Ctrl plus D. First we should select this, and after we should press like that. Click like that, Ctrl plus D. So here it is. So take that and place on the original star. So take the duplicate star and place on the original star perfectly. If you are not placing properly, you can't get the perfect star to the whole circle. So place it properly, and after placing, take the pick tool and click on that. So if you click on that, you'll be getting this rotation option, and in that, take this rotation control. In the center you'll be having the rotation control. Take that rotation control out of that star and place it in the middle of the circle. So place this rotation control in the middle of the circle like this. Place it like this, and after placing this, go here. You'll be having the property bar here in that angle of rotation. So you have that one option called angle of rotation. In that angle of rotation, give number as 5. that space. So here they didn't give any, I mean like they didn't give more space, so 5 is enough. If not, we'll be changing numbers. So give 5 here and click enter. After clicking that, give control plus D. So if you goes wrong, you should do again from the first. You should delete this star and again you should do it from the first. So again you should duplicate this and you should place this duplicate star on top of the original star. Click again, you'll be getting this rotation option. In that, take this rotation control of out of the star and place it in the middle of the circle. So if you're not getting any options like center and other things, go to view menu here. Go to view menu, you'll be having this guidelines. You'll be having there so many options. In that, go to guidelines and enable it. If you disable, you can't see those options or guidelines there. So if you enable only, you can see there. So enable that, and after keeping this rotation control in the middle, go here to the angle of rotation and give 5 and click enter. And after clicking enter, click control plus D till it meets to original star. Click it like this, you will be getting star like this. Getting. So remember, if you goes wrong means you should do from the first. From the first you should do. So after taking this star, so see here you have that circle. So you should do that circle, small circle up there. So for that what you need to do, you should take small circle. So take small circle, very small circle, tiny one, very tiny circle. Just take that, go up there, zoom it little, and take this, take the perfect circle, press Ctrl and take perfect circle. So take small tiny circle. So you should place it properly. If you can't place it properly with a mouse, so you will be having arrows in your keyboard. You can use that. So give yellow color to it. So yellow and stroke as a yellow. So here you can see here. You can see here yellow. So you can give just dark yellow, not this. Here if you goes down, see, here you can see deep yellow. So you can give that deep yellow like this. Okay. So stroke will be a light yellow and deep yellow for inside. Okay. So this will be your circle, and again you have to do the same thing which you did for the star. So duplicate it, just duplicate it, and now place this star to original star. On top of the original star, place this duplicate star on top of the original star and take the pick tool and click again. If you click again, you will be getting this rotation option. Again, take this rotation control. Take this rotation control. So you will be having this center option. Keep the circle, keep the rotation control in the middle of the circle, center, perfect center to the circle. Place it there, and spacing, how much ever you want, you can give that. So I'll be giving around 3. So let's check. So 3 is also more space. So I'll just do Control Z. So Control Z, delete, duplicate. I'll delete this again. I'll duplicate this, and I'll place this duplicated circle on top of the original circle. Again, I have to do the same thing. Again, I have to place this rotation control in the middle, and I have to give the number. I should give around 2. So it will be like this. So it looks like this. So see the space and give the numbers. And now if I, after clicking enter there, press Ctrl plus D till it meets to original star, sorry, original circle. till it's meet to original circle. Press Ctrl plus D. Now you can see. So again, what we should do means we should take another circle now. Very big circle. Big circle. Take that circle and increase it. So just increase the size of this circle again. Increase a little. Place this circle in the center. Decrease the size. It should meet to that circle which you did. So place it. So it's not meeting. Increase a little. Increase a little. So now place it. Let's see it will meet. Yes. Now give the stroke color as orange, orange, and increase the size of that. Don't give much. Give around 1.5 something or give around 1.0. So you can see here. And click on right side of the circle and order back of page. Give back of page. It will go to back of page. Okay. So back of the objects which you have done now. So after doing all this, again you have to take another circle and you have to do like this again, same thing. So what you'll do is just click on one circle and just duplicate it now. So I just didn't, I did duplicate now. So I'm placing on top of this outline which I took before circle. So I'm placing on top of it. Still not grouped yet. All of this object which I have taken. So before grouping only I took that circle now. So after doing that circle I'll be grouping everything. So it should not move anywhere. That's why. So after doing the circle as like this, so I'll group it. So first we'll place this like this. So let's place properly. So with the help of arrows you can place it properly. If you can't do with the mouse, you can do with the arrows. So after placing this, just duplicate it and place the duplicated circle on top of the original circle. After placing this, click on again and take that rotation control and keep it in middle. So delete that. Delete this also. So it has already done. So that's why it will not take properly. That's why we'll do it again. So take the circle, press Ctrl and drag it like this. Place it on top of this and give the same color, fill color, stroke color as yellow and fill color as like this. Increase the size little. So now what you need to do is same thing, Ctrl plus D place it again, click again. So rotation control, so take that to middle, keep it in center like this. So after keeping this in the center, keep number as 2 and press enter. Press Ctrl press D till it meets to original circle. So you can see now. So again we have to do this triangle. So if we want to do that, we have to take that. So after doing triangle, we'll group that. So before that, we'll select this circle first. So we'll increase size a little, 1.5 like that. Now it's enough. So now we'll take triangle like that. We'll take a triangle like that and we'll place. So here you'll be having polygon. In polygon option, if you take this polygon with the help of control, press control and drag, you'll get perfect shape. So press control and drag. After this you can set points. If you set for 3 points, it will become triangle. So you can see here, see, set to 3, it will be triangle like this. Or else you can do it with a pen tool also. You can just do it with the pen tool. If you're not getting with the pen tool, you can get the triangle shape with this polygon. Okay, polygon tool. After getting this, just decrease the size and take this to increase a little, increase a little, place it like this, place it like this. And let's see about the color. They have given orange. Yes, it's orange, orange and yellow gradient. It looks like orange and yellow gradient. So we'll do that. So just if you want to fill gradient means, I told you before when we are doing Instagram logo. So here in the tools group, you'll be having that interactive fill tool. So you can take that interactive fill tool. So just click on that. Just click on that and click and drag. Click and drag. Okay. If you click and drag, you can give color any which you want. So I'll give orange and here as a yellow like this. And here I should give dark color, dark orange, and remove the stroke. First remove the stroke, give this yellow, and for this give this orange. Now it's okay. So just place it properly now, put it down. And now again you have to do the same thing. So what you need to do is now, so we'll see first. So give you should give this increase the size little, and you should back to circle, you should give back of page, order back of page, so you can set like this. So before only when you're doing rotation control, you are getting that shape means before only which whatever you want you should do that, then you can duplicate in, you can do that rotation control art. So before only if your object wants to be in the front, you can set that to front. If it's want to be in the back, if you want that object to be in the back, you can set that back. Before only you should do when you doing with the control, rotation control, before only you have to set your object. So now after setting this, so I'll just duplicate it, control plus T, and I'm keeping this duplicated to the original triangle, and after that I'll click again. I'll be getting this rotation control, same thing we have to do that, we have to do that. Just take this rotation control out of the triangle and keep it in center of the circle, keep it, keep it. So now give the number in the property bar, the angle of rotation, just give it around, I'll be giving around 10. So this have so much of gap, so I should give around 5 something, 5 4 something. So if I once press control Z to get back that, I should press till it's duplicate. So again I have to duplicate this. So if I want to duplicate this, again I have to do the same thing, control plus D, and I'm taking this triangle and I'm placing on top of the original triangle. Click I'll click again, and I'm taking this rotation control out of the triangle and keep this rotation to the center of the circle. So after that I'll give around 5 now. Let's check. So it's okay. So this is okay. This is perfect. Now I'll press Ctrl plus T till it meets to original triangle. So now you can see now. See, we did this triangle now. Only we have to do this elephant. So we can do that elephants thing with the help of pen tool, and it's easy. We can draw like this with the pen tool, with the help of pen tool. It's easy. We can do it quickly. So first what we need to do is we should group this. First we should group this. So for grouping we should press Ctrl plus G. Press Ctrl plus G. Okay. Select the whole thing, whole object. Select the all object which you have done. Press Ctrl plus G. Ctrl plus G. And after that Are you able to understand that, guys? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
understanding it? Okay. So we'll go to this reference pic which we have taken. So we'll go to that reference and we'll take pen tool. We'll zoom it. So here, from here, you can draw that with the help of pen tool. See, you can draw it like this. So click Alt to remove that one line, and again click Alt to remove that line. Click it, and so you can just draw like this. So if you doesn't have this reference pic, you can do elephant like that only. By seeing it, you can do. See over here, meet that point. So now what you need to do is take a pick tool. So now you can draw inside things. So you can draw it easily inside. You can draw it like this. Okay. If you can't draw, again it will press Ctrl Z. So again it will go here. You can draw this and inside things. Keep it like this. Draw it with the help of pen tool. After that, keep this. Do it like this. Keep it like this, and after that do it like this. And you can do elephants with the help of shape tool also. You can do it easily. You can meet the point node here. So end point we call node. So just do it. So with the help of pen tool, we'll meet this. We'll do this. We'll meet the end point after doing it. So after doing it, we can do that art thing inside of it. We can do that. So before that, we'll press pick tool and we'll take all this object here. Just select this, all the object. Just take this and put it here. So what you need to do is keep the inside color and stroke color as black, and now stroke color is black only. Now stroke color is black only. We'll just duplicate it. First we'll group it and we'll duplicate it. We'll increase a little and then we'll place it in the center like this. So for this what we need to do is we should give the fill color as yellow. So I mean the stroke as yellow. So it should be. So now what we need to do is we'll decrease it a little. We'll be getting like this. So now what we need to do is so now I'll just ungroup it. Control plus U is ungrouping. So after ungrouping, I'll click this and I'll give color as little creamish. First we'll search for it, whether we have here or not. And here stroke should be black. For this also stroke should be black. And after that, for this, and if you can't get this color, you can just, here you will be having eyedropper. Eyedropper job is to pick the color from wherever you want, wherever you are picking. Its job is to pick the color. If you are not getting this, just take this eyedropper and pick the color. So you can give it here. So you'll be getting this. So they have put, I mean, like they have attached some texture here. So after that, so what we need to do is we should select this, be selecting this, and we should put that, put there as a white color. And we can set some textures also here. We can set some textures like this. See how they did. So we can set like this. So they have done like this. Control plus, take the circle and stroke color as a orange, orange, and duplicate it. Put that to, put that circle here properly. If you can't keep that, if you can't place that in your mouse, you can just place it in with the help of arrows. So after placing this, again duplicate it and place this here. So again duplicate it and place this up and duplicate it again. Place this in the middle. And only you need to do is take this a little aside like this. This also. It should be like this. And this also. And this also. It should be like this. You can see here. This is what they did here. Same thing. So we did here. So we have to increase the size of the circle. So we'll place it. So we'll place it properly. So now just to group it. group this. Control plus G is grouping. So group it. After grouping, you can put this here wherever you want. You can just transfer. You can just decrease the transparency of this. You will be having here transparency tool. So you'll be having transparency tool here. So you can just click on this. So here you will be getting this. You can just decrease the transparency like this. So it just look like exactly like this. Exactly like this. If you reduce the transparency and you have to place everywhere, each and everywhere on this elephant. So you have to place everywhere. You should make, I mean, like you should decrease the size and you should increase the size. Some in some places you should increase, some places decrease. You have to place it properly. You should decrease the transparency level also, and you should place it everywhere on the elephant. After doing everything like that, you can draw that art, and you can draw that eyes also. And after doing everything, just select the whole elephant with that art, group it and just duplicate it and put it on the other side. Only you have to struggle for one side elephant. After that you can set that elephant and you can just group it and you can just duplicate and put that on the other side. You can just mirror it. It'll come on the right side. Only one side you have to do it. Guys, anyone tell me that this CRTC 33 is full name or her full name? Can anyone tell that? Or can you tell me that? Who is it? What's your full name? So we'll complete this. We need to just increase or decrease the size of it a little like this, and it's enough now. I'm going to pick tool and I'll just duplicate it, decrease the size, put this here, control D. That's how we have to do it for the full elephant. You have to arrange it properly. It will take time, but you have to arrange that to the full elephant. You have to arrange it. Just decrease the size and we'll arrange it here. Arrange it like this. So you have to do this for the full elephant. Just duplicate and do it. Duplicate and place it. Duplicate and place it. Just do the same thing to the whole elephant. So just decrease and increase. After that, after doing it also, you can just increase and decrease the transparency of this. But before that, if we are done with this texture thing, so we can easily decrease or increase the transparency. But first we have to do this. It will take so much time. Okay. So let me just check with your names here. Wait. Afifa. Okay. So we should do it this texture to the whole elephant. After that we can draw this art and we can place it like this with the rotations, and this eyes also we can place it, and we can give this text also Great India Cell. Sudo. So today it's already 54, 750, so 54. So we'll continue this tomorrow and we'll be doing some brochures for tomorrow's class also. We'll continue with this first, and after this we'll continue with the brochures also. We'll do the brochure. Every day it should be new concept. So after this we'll do brochures.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell us how many classes are still left?
Mm, wait, let me check with that. Oh. Oh, still this month at 24, till 24 you have that. After this Coral Draw, I'll be taking with InDesign also. So till 24 you have this month of 24.
InDesign, how many classes, ma'am? How many hours?
Same 1.5 only, and it will be around 8 to 9 classes, ma. InDesign is for 8 to 9 classes.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
till this of 24 you have. So after that you'll be getting exams. So I'll save this. We'll continue this tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, will the exams be practical?
So your HOD will talk about that. They'll inform you
Okay, ma'am.
how it will be. So I hope everyone got this, which we did today.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, let's end up with the session now. So we'll continue with the new concept with tomorrow. So bye bye guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Thank you, ma'am.
you're welcome. My pleasure.